Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss some of the basic SQL queries on select clause, or you can say on select statement. So using the select clause, how to write the basic SQL queries. So we shall quickly begin. So the first query we shall see, so in this video we shall solve around 6 SQL queries. So first we shall see the first question, that is display employee's name, comma, job, comma, department number. So in that you need to display, that is the department 10 and 50 from the employee table. So the first thing is, first you need to see what you need to display. So you need to display only two things, that is employee name as well as job. So we shall use a select clause in order to select. So from the table, initially you need to consider that there is a table employee. So you need to use a select clause. So select, you need employee name. So in short you can write it as e name, which refers to employee name. So select e name, comma, job from employee, followed by where. So where department number, that is department 10 and 50 from employee. So you need to select, that is you need to display the e name as well as the job as well as the for the department number, that is it should be 10 comma 50. So you need to display within the range 10 comma 50. So you can say select e name comma job from employee where department number, so where department number in 10 comma 50. So you can either use in clause in order to specify, that is the 10 comma 50, so between the range 10 comma 50, or you can write separately like or department number equal to 10 and department number equal to 50. So both of these works. So after that you can end it with the semicolon. So some of the databases support semicolon, like if you do not specify the semicolon it gives syntax error. So some of the database they even do not support semicolon, even though if you do not provide semicolon it runs. So this is the first query, like you need to display employee name comma job from employee table where department number, it should display between, that is department number only 10 and 50. So it should display the row with a 10 and 50. So therefore you are going to specify department number in means within that you are going to display 10 comma 50, only two rows. Or in simple you can say department number, or department number equal to 10 and department number equal to 50. And suppose if they ask you to display the rows from 10 to 50, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like 5 rows if you want to display, then you can use a between clause. Like you can write select employee name comma job from employee where department number between. So between 10 and 50 you can write, so it will display 5 rows. But here you need to display only the 2 rows, that is 10 as well as 50. Therefore you can use either in operator, or you can specify the rows like department number equal to 10 and department number equal to 50. So next we shall see one more type of query, like display the information about the salesman having the salary less than 5,500. So which means you're going to display the information. So you're going to use a select clause and you need to display the entire information. So you need to select, so select star from employee. So here it will select entire table. So select star from employee means it will select, that is it will select for the entire table, that is employee, and they have mentioned where salary is less than 5,500, where salary less than 5,500. So salary is less than 5,500 and they have mentioned that he is a salesman. So you need to display all the information of the person, that is the salesman. So you can say salesman is one of the category of a job, like within the job he can be a salesperson or he can be a manager. So you can say you need to display the information of the salesman. So having the salary which should be less than 5500. So you have selected star because you need to display entire table. Select star from employee where salary should be less than 5500 and the job equal to sales, and job is equal to sales. So this will display the information of the person, the person who are doing the job of sales and whose salary is less than 5500. The entire table is displayed. So next we shall see the next set of SQL query question, that is third question. So the third question is like this. You need to display the information about all the employees of the department 50 having salary greater than 2000. So here you're going to you need to display the information, means you need to display entire table. So you need to use a select followed by star. So select star from employee, which will display the employee table. Select star from employee, then after that they have mentioned the department is 50 and salary is greater than 2000. So whenever there is a query, you need to break the query so that you can easily write the query for that. So here you can see initially you need to display the information of all the employees. So therefore you are going to use a select clause followed by select star from employee. So select star from employee. Then after that you need to specify the condition. So for that purpose you are going to use a where condition. So where condition, it will specify the condition. So select star from employee where. So where we know that of department number is 50. So where department number, equal to 50. So department number is 50, and then after that one more condition is that salary should be greater than 2000. So department number equal to 50 and also salary is greater than 2000. You need to merge these two sentences. For that you have an AND clause. So you need to use an AND keyword which will combine these two conditions. So select star from employee where department number equal to 50 and salary should be greater than 2000. So this is the query for this question. So we shall see one more question, that is display the list of employee who don't take bonus. So like you can see, you need to display the list of employee, means you need to select the entire table. So therefore you can say select star from employee, that is the name of a table. So select star from employee and where who don't take bonus. Who don't take bonus means you are going to specify the condition using where clause and who don't take bonus. So where bonus equal to 0. So you can say if they specify who take the bonus 2000, then you can specify where bonus equal to 2000. But they have asked to display the list of employees who don't take bonus. So therefore you are going to select star from employee where bonus equal to 0 you can specify. You can insert semicolon after the query. So next we shall see the fifth query. So the fifth query is you need to display the top 3 highest salaried employees. So you need to display the top 3 highest salaried employees. So these are the common question, like you need to display the salary of an employee greater than 2000 or to display the top 3 highest salaried employees. These are some of the common, they ask the basic questions. So you should be able to write the query for the same. So now we shall see this, how to write the query for this. You need to display the top 3 highest salaried employees. So again, we need to use a select clause. So select followed by, what you need is you need to display the top 3 highest salaried employees. So you're going to select, then after that you also have a top keyword in SQL. So you need to display the top 3 means which will display the first 3 rows which is having the highest salary. So select the top 3 salary. So you're going to select the top 3 salary from the employee table. So from employee, then after that, since you need the top 3 salary from the top, that is you need to display the salary of the employee from the employee table, that is from the top. So you need to select the top 3 salary from the employee. Then after that you can say employee order by. So you have an order by which will arrange the salary in the ascending order or descending, but it will arrange in. So select top 3 salary from employee order by, followed by, you can display the salary in ascending order or descending order, but ascending order will display the lowest salary first, then after that you will have a highest salary. But here you need to display the top 3 highest salaried employees. So select top 3 salary from employee, then you need to order by, what you need to order by, you need a salary, so order by salary in descending order. So you need to order by salary in descending order. So if you you need to, if you order by the salary in descending, so the highest salary will be displayed first. So out of which the first 3 highest salaried, that is a highest salary value is displayed. So this is one type of like you can use this, or you can also use one more query. Like there are like one query you can, for one SQL question you can try to write in different type, like different solutions, or you can say you can try to write it in different type of queries, so then you will be more perfect in writing the SQL queries. So next like same question we shall write in another type of query, like select. So here also you are going to select the top 3 salary, select the top 3 salary comma, here you are going to, suppose if you want to display the salary, see if you are displaying only the salary and if you do not know for whom person is getting a highest salary, and suppose if you want to display the salary as well as the employee name, you can do it as select top 3 salary comma employee name, so comma employee name from employee, from employee. So from employee again you are going to order by salary, so again order by salary in descending order, so order by salary in descending order. So it is not necessary to write in capital itself, you can write in small letters also. Then order by is that after order you need to give this space, so order followed by space followed by. So this is the query, like if you want to display the salary, that is top 3 salary of the employee, so you need to display only this query will display only the salary, and this will display the salary as well as the employee name from the employee. So you're going to order by salary descending. Why descending? Because if you give the descending, so the highest salary is displayed first and lowest salary will be displayed at the bottom. So if you give ascending, then lowest salary will be like it will be listed first, and then after that you will be having a highest salary. But in our query we want is we need to display the top 3 highest salary, so therefore it is order by descending. So then we shall see the last query, like display last query, like display the name and the department of all the managers. So here you are going to display the name as well as the department of all the managers. So the query is select name. So select, you are going to display the name and the department for department number of all the managers. So department number of all the managers, so select name comma followed by department number from the, so from employee, so from employee where, so then you can see department of all the managers, so where job is equal to manager, so where job is equal to manager. So here you are going to display the name as well as department number. So you can say employee where job is equal to manager. So wherever the job is manager, it will display the name as well as the department number. So you cannot use select star, because select star it displays the entire table, but you need only the name as well as department number, that too the job is should be manager. So therefore you are going to write the select name comma department number from employee where job is equal to manager. So in this video we have solved around 6 SQL queries. So in the next video we shall solve more queries on select statements. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.